Hello, welcome back to another episode. For those who already know me, thanks for coming back, and for those who don't, my name's Daryl and I'm the owner of Crystal Clear Polishing. So in this episode we're going to be working on this BMW X330e. This is in for our 2-year Wax is Dead package. This includes paint, plastics and glass. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you, or you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or through a submission form on our website. Ultimately, you could also email us and you could pop in and see us. As always, hope you enjoyed the video. This is detailed and done properly. Sit back, relax, and let us do the hard work. Right, so now the preparation wash has been done, the vehicle's now ready for polishing. But before we do the polishing, as I always mention, we need to do the masking. So this vehicle's pretty easy going, to be honest with you. There's not a lot of areas which we need to be concerned about with masking. We've got a tiny little bit of rubber here, and obviously the rubber's along the top of the windows only. And that's pretty much it. I mean, usually you've got bits around the arches here, there and everywhere, but in this case we haven't. So I'm going to quickly take them up. Then we get the top half machine polished once the roof, the bonnet and the upper pillars are polished. Then we put the vehicle up in the air and we do all the lower parts. Right, so today is another day and the paint has had a chance to relax overnight. So what I'm going to do today is get this ceramic coated. So I'm going to give it a clean over with the Wax is Dead cleaner. This is an IPA based product which will remove any oils, residues, anything left over from the machine polishing stage. Once we've done this, obviously then we're going to go in with our coating. Humidity in here today is 68, so I do need to keep an eye on that, but I'm sure it'll be fine because it's not very warm at the moment. So yeah, let's get this done. Like I said, Wax is Dead cleaner. If you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Sit back, relax, and let me do all the hard work. Right, so today on this X3, as I previously explained, we're going to be doing a 2-year coating. So this is quite unusual for the channel. It's not usually something we do, as we're usually doing 5 or 10 years, but it's nice to mix it up a little bit and do something different. So today we're going to be using Wax is Dead Ultra. This is the 2-year coating. We're going to be using this on paint, plastics and the glass. Seen, I've wiped the vehicle down with the Wax is Dead cleaner, which is an IPA based product. So let's get on with the coating.